Hi, my name is Jeremy.
I'm Maddie. This is Uptown Swing, and we taught
Swingouts.
for
here
level 2.
At level 2. Swing Out month at Uptown Swing. It was some people's first week to hear.
Yeah, welcome.
Well, not their first week. It's first time in level 2. But yeah, but it was really good. People came. We talked about the Swing Out. We talked about individual counts in the Swing Out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6.
Remember 5 and 6?
7 and 8. We talked about them all and all the little goals that we're trying to accomplish, both as leaders and followers.
Yep, we talked a lot about making the swing out feel really linear, not circular. We're not trying to avoid each other. We're like passengers in the airline aisle.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the drink cart and all that.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And then we also had a little practice thing where followers had one goal, leaders had a different goal. Leaders were making that shape. Followers stayed in place until 4. And then everything looked beautiful. Everyone got an A tonight. Let's see if we can get A+ next week.
Da-da-da-da-da.